Hi, how are you? Okay, when you're angry, you say, I'm angry. But what if you're very, very angry? No. What if you're very, 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 very angry? Then you are furious. What about when you're happy? You say, I'm happy. What if you're very, very happy? Then you're elated. And when you feel really, really sad, like, you might say, I'm depressed. If anybody say I'm fat or ugly, I don't cry. I weep. And I'm not fat either. I'm hefty. I don't have a big nose. I have a prominent nose. I'm not old. I'm aged. And I'm not handsome. I'm very, very handsome. Okay, if you want to learn new words, better words, more expensive words, you have to join my live stream session on February 14th on Tuesday at 3 p.m. right here at the American Center Facebook page. Remember, Tuesday, February 14th, right here at 3 p.m. at the American Center Facebook page. Be here, okay? Because I will. Isn't that Valentine's Day? Mình phải cần đi kiếm vợ.